Hello everyone, my name's Tyler, and today we're going to be talking about the respiratory system, its structure, and its function. The respiratory system regulates the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between tissues and the outside environment. Here's our lesson overview for this video. First, we're going to be talking about the human lungs and air pathway. Then we're going to be talking about gas exchange. And then we're going to be talking about fish and the countercurrent exchange that they use to exchange gas. Now let's talk about the human lungs and the air pathway. So here's the whole overview of the human respiratory system, and we're going to be breaking this through into more specific sections as we go. So first, let's talk about the upper respiratory tract. The upper respiratory tract is made of the nasal cavity, the pharynx, and the larynx. You can see them labeled here, and those are going to come all the way down into the throat. The lower respiratory tract is made of the trachea, the bronchi, the bronchioles,